So how to transfer or add dollar into your Telegram wallet from your Binance. Follow the step-by-step tutorial. So my current balance is 0. So press on add crypto. Then you have to select external wallet. Now you are able to select Bitcoin, Toncoin, etc. So I am selecting the USDT. Press on continue. Now here's the network. You are able to select TRC20 or TON. I am using the TON. This is the Telegram own network. Then copy the address. Now go back to my Binance. Now to transfer your balance, you have to select spot, then press on withdraw. Now select your USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT, or if you want to Dogecoin or BTC, anything, and then select send via crypto wallet. Then paste the address. Now you have to select the network. The open network is a TON network, is the default network, so its fee is 0.30 USDT. So just select this one, and if you don't have memo, you can skip it and enter your amount. Suppose I want to transfer 5 USD. It's 6, and press on withdraw. And you did not fill the memo, please confirm that receipt. So just press on confirm. Now press on confirm again. Now verify with your Face ID or complete the verification process, and it's now processing. Now go back to my Telegram wallet. Back. Now you have to wait at least 1 or 2 minutes. If you go to your transaction area for Binance, it's already cut. Now within 2 or 3 minutes your dollar will be reached. Thank you. Have a good day.